Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex if you're new here, and this is my first ever clean with me, and I'm so excited to be sharing this with you guys because it's in my university bathroom. And if you follow me on my vlog channel, then you know already that I am a graduate student at the Vancouver University of British Columbia. So today I just wanted to clean my bathroom, and I definitely wanted to bring you guys along with me. So the first thing I do is grab my gloves, and of course I'm wearing gloves now because all of the hand washing has my hands a little bit delicate and peeling, so I want to protect them. And of course I'm checking to see if anything is living inside of my gloves because growing up on the island we always check things before we put our feet or hands in them. I'm grabbing my cleaning cloth. It used to be gray, but because of the amount of bleach I use, it's now pink. And my Windex wipes. These are so easy to use to clean the two little mirrors that I have in my bathroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these gloves on, and let's get into this clean with me. Getting into these Windex wipes has been so convenient because growing up we just used the Windex glass cleaner and some random newspaper around the house, which to me, newspaper cleans glass so well. But this one is just really easy for me. It does a really good job of getting your glass things fixed pretty well. And I went ahead and wiped off our Alexa. Yes, we have an Alexa in the bathroom because in a jam session, an Alexa needs to be nearby. But I have been using these Lysol Simply wipes here lately just to wipe off everything else that sits on our bathroom counter.
I know it don't show, but I'm falling. Cigarette smoke, sick from drinking. Baby, don't think I will save you, but I'll tell you the things we can do if you give in. There is nothing to be broken in this moment. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean. one oasis. There is nothing to be broken in this moment. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better you.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm always obsessed about a clean shower and a clean bathroom. Everything is sparkling and spotless. I am so happy when my bathroom is clean. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one really soon.
You talk about faith. Is it just something you say?